Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
You know the vibes, Island Boy Africa.
Yes, it's Maria Chica de la Isla and little Island Boy. So guys, today we're just doing some shopping errands and yeah, getting some things. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the ATM as usual, the bank, and yeah, we're just gonna do a few little things today.
Yeah, a few little shopping.
Island and Dad. Yeah, and chill out. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, we're waiting. Yep. All right, guys, we'll let you be. Hi guys.
Wagwan.
Hey, so we're just in the store right now. We're just buying some stuff for Island. So we picked up like a little fruit thing for him.
Yeah, and also a little spoon and fork.
Now I'm just gonna get him like some shorts.
Yeah.
Because like he's getting bigger, and so a lot of things are starting to not fit him
True.
anymore. Just having a look around, see what we can get in. I came here the other day, guys, and I saw a few things that I kind of like, so I thought I'd come back here anyway. So
yeah. So you can get wipes here, don't everything?
I'm looking at shorts, hey?
Yeah, I get wipes.
And wipes,
Remember wipes
yeah,
and
wipes, yeah, and nappies as well. I don't think you can get it. You can go have a look around if you want. On the other side, if they have anything.
Hey guys.
Well, at least I know where to come and get lady things, guys.
Get your curves. Go and get your curves.
That's it.
Nice Jamaican shirt when he gets older.
Alright. What's on that side?
From adults wear. Yeah.
You want a drink from here then?
I'm good.
I'm gonna buy this and this. And I'm gonna ask the lady here, good girl. Hey guys, so you know I'm gonna do a bit of shopping here. I'm gonna ask them for like these tweezer things. Hi. Question I wanted to ask. Do you have like tweezers? Yeah, hang on, wait, no. It's like acne. What's that there behind you? I need a fan.
Love the camera, huh?
No.
Let's go.
So guys, we're just gonna go buy some fruit because Mummy likes fruit. And so does he. He loves fruit too. And Island too. So we just bought Island this like juicer thing. You put fruit in it and he can just suck it and like just enjoy the juice, which is really good for him. So even though now he can like chew and things, but still we want to...
He's getting there. He's eating more solid of food now.
Yeah, he is. So guys, we're gonna be, all right, we're going crossing the road. Cool. Let's have a look at this guy's fruit store. Yay, Papa. Hey? So guys, we're gonna get some fruit. Yeah,
I get fine.
yes, of course. Because there's not much right now out in season, guys, but you know, pine is my favorite, one of my favorite fruits here in Jamaica.
Okay, so we're in a town, what Antonio, you know?
want some banana? Island.
Getting hot.
Are you?
Yeah, starting to sweat. You know me already.
Wait till you get to Australia.
Oh my god. You know, by the
It's not
time
hot. You'll love it over there.
by the time I reach home, my whole back gonna be soaked. Crazy.
Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm big one now.
Yeah.
In general, how much a pound for pint? 2 bills. Alright. What's a nice 3 pound one or something?
Yeah, just get a nice one. Doesn't matter.
See if I can find one 3 pound one for me now. Get a nice thumbnail. Smile for the camera. Yeah. Yeah.
So 4, you wanna?
4.
Yeah.
One there?
Yeah, how much is that? About
At 800.
800. Okay, cool. And I'll get some bananas. I came last time.
Okay.
You don't remember my face?
I should give it to you have the cup on, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I didn't have the cap on last time.
Ooh, the sun is out. Nice fruit style, you know?
No, no. That's fine. Just small. Yeah.
Oh, I feel the sweat running down my back right now.
950 all up. That's cool. You charged me the same last time, 950.
Hey guys.
You want grapes?
I think we're good.
Sure.
You want?
You can get grapes. Grapes.
Alright.
How much?
How much a pound for grape? Huh?
1,000.
That's how we're good.
Alright. Thank you. You too. Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, go back.
So I got nice juicy pineapple.
Yeah, some
and
nice one.
some banana as well.
Yeah. 1,000 a pound for the grape, no sir. A tourist price that.
They're imported grapes.
And that a tourist price. I'm not work with that. You see me, so yeah. Got some stuff now. We are go to the supermarket to pick up a few more stuff, and then we are go over on the pier. So that's how I pray, guys. Yeah. Sun turn up. Good.
Hi guys, so we're back again today again. So I've got some coffee, some noodles, some nappies, and some wipes. Just gonna get this little fella here something, aren't you? Alright, so yeah, and we're just gonna get some wipes as well, guys. So yeah. Alright.
Go to you to see a lawyer, but it's John Cena, is what they call it your survivorship. So that nothing of the fact of the death of your husband.
Yeah guys, so it's a nice supermarket, it's not too bad. This one not too crowded at the moment.
Let's buy another one of these. Okay. Now they're fucking.
During the Christmas season, during the Christmas period, this supermarket was packed. Yeah, can't deal with crowd and long line, I swear.
Right? So we have to go to a lawyer and they will guide you and somebody talk back to us.
Yeah guys, still a sweat. Still a sweat even though inside you're cool. Body easily get heated, I swear.
Can't change that because we have survivorship that is spoiled.
Is that break?
Joint tenants.
Okay, but with the tenant income, I know it's different. I can will.
Alright, guys.
It will really far to somebody else.
No, you can't do that.
No, I mean, it's
Which one?
Cold cranberry
Joint
water.
tenants, you can't win your part.
Alright, get one of them.
Because of the fact that if you grew up and you can win your
You want one?
Which one? Yeah, get one of them.
Alright, guys. So he's getting some drink as well. that's it, I think. Maybe you know what I was thinking. Maybe it's
What's that for washing plates?
yeah.
Oh, I get one of those cheaper
Yeah,
ones.
get one of these. Same
Yeah, the
thing.
pouch. Yeah.
Yeah, because you know me, I just pick anything. Yes, guys, so just a little bit of shopping, you know. Do you want some cake, babe?
Not really.
Oh my gosh, just take one.
Yeah, just get one of them.
Yeah, we'll get one of those. And of course, we're going to get some Oreos because... No, we're going to get some of that. Alright. Yeah, well, can you go get it? You want to take the GoPro? Oh, you take the GoPro. Me too.
Alright, just gotta pick up a milk, guys. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Hyland. You good?
Affected about the 20 samples were today sent to the Caribbean-based the Caribbean Public Health Agency CARPA for testing for the highly contagious variant of COVID-19. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bethesda McKenzie says the remaining samples of persons from the UK are among the batch that will be sent for testing. She said the Minister of Health and sending samples to CARPA by
Get this one, guys.
the Health Minister confirmed the
Don't have the one I want.
the British positive to the variant of COVID-19. Meanwhile, the country's daily case count continues to rise. The health minister reported a number of 154 new cases.
Soya.
Yeah, they don't have any.
They don't have full cream milk? Don't buy it. It's not good. Do you drink this milk? I don't drink it.
What's wrong with it?
I don't drink it. It tastes like shit.
Really?
Yeah, guys, I don't drink soya milk. Hello, look at the size of me, guys. I'm a full cream girl. So, guys, we're in town. We just thought we'd come and get something to eat. And hi, how you going? Good. And so we just decided to get something to eat. And so I'm just walking in the town right now. So as you can see, yeah, guys. And I don't know what the hell that noise was. It sounded like gunshots, I know, but it wasn't. I think it was like firecrackers or something like that. Oh, I'm waiting for babe. Oh. Alright. You good? So, how was that noise?
It's clappers.
Oh, okay. Radio. Fair enough.
This one's time to go for this.
Yeah, so there you go, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a vibe. Yeah. So guys, we decided we're going to get some pizza, something different for the night. Yeah, and yeah, go down to the pier and that. So yeah, we're going to have a pizza night. We're going to get pepperoni and cheese, 12 each. Radio, let's do that. Hi. Can we get a pizza for takeaway? Do you do takeaway? Yeah. That's alright, we'll wait. Okay, 25 minutes, babe, wait. Yeah, that's alright. So what pizza you got?
Protein combo. We don't have any shrimp nor jerk chicken.
Okay, that's alright. We're gonna go pepperoni and we'll go for the 12.
Okay.
The 12.
Medium size.
Yeah, medium size, and we'll get extra cheese as well. Yeah? Alright, cool. So I'll come back in 25. Do you want me to pay for it now? I'll come back. When I come back. Alright, cool. See you then.
What time?
Oh, there's soup as well. That's alright. Alright, so we're just gonna go for a little walk around and just, yeah, maybe get Bobo some soup. Yeah, Joke Center.
Visit Rowan,
Come.
the Master Barber, located at shop number 9,
Alright,
Marvin's
guys.
Plaza,
You good, babe?
Obion. Open Mondays to Thursdays, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Fridays and Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 9.
So yeah, as you can see, guys, the town's really still very busy right now. So we've never really came out this time with Island for a while. So
First time been out this late, guys.
yeah, we've never really been out this late.
Sure.
So yeah, but it's a first time for everything, you know. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go in here and just, oh, they look really busy.
Here.
Look who we find here, guys.
Let's wait time to get this.
NJ, yeah. Well, you want to go get Bobo some soup then?
I can just chill here and keep some time with it.
Alright. Hi! Look who we have here. This is NJ, guys. Remember to go and follow him.
Track it down, you know? Oh, you mean? Yeah. I man have all in GoPro too.
Yeah, I fixed it, you know.
Eh?
Fixed. Then make one video of the
Oh, you're letting me? Oh.
Alright, what are you getting? You're getting soup.
fried chicken.
Oh, fried chicken. Oh, okay. Radio. Well, these are the 2 stars, guys. Alright. Just a small chicken and yeah. Guys, if you want to come here, the Joke Center, they got some good food coming up down here in Port Antonio. Alright guys, so we're here now. I just got Island some soup. So he's gonna drink up. It's a bit hot right now, so he won't be able to have it.
Too hot.
It's too hot right now, guys. So yeah, so that's what's happening. And yeah, that's what's up. I better take my mask off. Shit, hang on babe, this is really hot. Just
Hey,
can you hold the
that-
GoPro for a minute?
Careful with the soup.
It's hot as, guys.
Yeah. Can imagine. Oh,
It's really
oh, so
hot.
they never get like no thing to hold it with like.
No, they didn't give me
napkin.
anything. They didn't give me nothing.
That's crazy.
That's right, I will be here.
Alright, not Molly. Not Molly. Well, Island. Well,
It's alright if I just go like
No,
that.
just give me-
Alright, it's alright. You don't want to hold him?
no, I mean, I hold the soup because.
Hey, hold up.
Go on. Yeah, the nightlife in Port Antonio. Yeah. Coco. Yeah.
I'll hold it, baby.
Okay.
Because Dad's struggling holding Island as well. So, you know, guys. Look at that. Alright. Yeah, guys. So, that used to be my favorite bank before. Not anymore, though. Yeah, guys. So back to
Alright, let's go on somewhere, babe.
up here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna follow the leader.
Alright, let's go.
So guys,
Yeah, I'm going straight.
alright. It's chicken and pea soup.
It fell.
It is almost.
Yeah.
Coming out off the road.
No, I got it.
You got it?
I think so.
Ah, guys, there's Daddy struggling trying to keep baby's beanie on his head. Jeez. Alright. Daddy walking the streets with Island. Hey?
Alright, stop right here.
Alright guys, keep walking. Keep walking and less talking.
Jamaica don't play with here, you know. So, I'm fearful every step you make, you know. If you cross, you have to look.
Yeah.
Some people that's crazy on the road.
Crazy people on the road, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, Bobo. It's getting pretty dark now, guys. Walking towards the pier. So it's getting pretty dark. But we just came out because I wanted to eat pizza. Something different. Something different for a change. You know, guys. There's no harm in changing up your diet. Sometimes we feel like something different. And that's what we're doing. Yay! Happy days. Alright, it's getting dark. But I'm going to tape until we get to the water side. We might get some more light down there. I feel like I've stepped on a rock or something and my ankle's sort of twisted out a bit. Yeah. Smells very smoky, Bobo. Wow, look at that, guys. That is absolutely beautiful. We're here at the pier now, guys. It's a little bit dark, so you can't really see much. But just looking at that view alone with the sun setting, I think that's beautiful. Wow, look at this, guys. Isn't that amazing? Just look at that. Just peace and serenity, guys. Just peace and serenity. What more could you possibly want? Obviously a yacht like that would be nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can't tell you that, I don't know.
You probably can see me, guys. Say hi. Can you see, babe? Just a tad. Alright, guys, we're gonna end this lovely vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is the Island family.
Like, comment and share.
Like, comment, share with all your friends and family, guys. Blessings.
Okay, so we just came back. We just came out the pier now because yeah, that's how our pizza would be ready in 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
So yeah, it's over 25 minutes now. So I get that and go home, you know. You see me, and yeah, Mr. Bobo here out in the night. Yeah, Mr. Bobo out here. Yeah, guys, nightlife.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends and family, guys.
So, the Christmas tree gone now, babes.
Yeah, I know, I noticed that.
Yeah. When
Huh?
was it? Probably it was after New Year's they took it down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I could go up
No,
that
it wasn't
way.
after New Year's Day, probably.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go cross. Yeah, we will go cross. Wait for them here. Let's go. Let's go across.
Okay, guys, so we're skipping in the town. We're skipping in the town.
Yeah, man. My hometown is, you know, proud of my little country. I care what they want to say about the city life. That's not for me.
That's not
Yeah.
the real deal.
Come over here, baby.
Real deal is Port Antonio.
Yes. Love my little country. It's the vibe.
Don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry about Ochi. Don't
True.
worry about Negro.
Yeah.
We're all the tourists are. No
Yeah.
offense, tourists.
I don't like the city life, so I'm cool with this place. Yeah. Don't like the fast life, the busy
Further away from
traffic
the
and all of
airport,
that.
But it's all worth the travel.
Yeah. It's 2 hours. No, 2? No, like 4 hours. 4-hour drive.
4 hours from Obey and 2.5 from Kingston.
Yeah, so
So choose
too bad.
wisely, guys. But it's still a beautiful place to travel down
Yeah,
to
it's
from
not
the
bad.
airport.
It's not bad at all. So guys, we just collect a pizza now. You see me, so let's head home now. Alright guys.
Hey guys, so we're in the taxi now. We got our pizza.
Yeah.
Bobo's eating his soup and Omo wants to go out again. He wants to
Yeah.
go roam the streets.
Tell you.
So yeah guys, that's what we're gonna do. Go home now. We're in the taxi.
Yeah man. We're gonna enjoy the night at home, you know? Watch a movie and things. So yeah. So Port Antonio Street, look at this time. It's pretty early, like almost 7 o'clock. Yeah, pretty early.
6:30.
Yeah, so.
Alright guys, so I hope you're all having a great time wherever you are around the world. Don't forget, subscribe, like and comment.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Catch you in the next one.
Catch you soon.
Give thanks for the support every time.
Blessings.
Blessings and peace. Alright guys, so we just got back home. Yeah, and this is our
pizza.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy. And we're like just drinking cranberry, melon water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And right now we have some Netflix. We can search for a movie and watch. So
Yeah, that's
That's
what's
the
up. We're chilling, guys.
yeah, man. We out.